Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are back on the GoPro. Today I'm going down to this little hospital area I found to x-ray my ribs. They are feeling a little better today. I don't want to curse it, but I'm actually able to walk a little bit. So we are just going to head down to this local mall, and it's 20 bucks for the x-rays and a doctor consultation. So we'll see what we get, but we got to walk down through the city center, and it's that building over there which is going to provide me with an x-ray to let me know if I have a cracked or fractured rib. I'm 99% sure it's cracked and fractured, but I was doing a little research and there's like a cartilage that could be torn. So let's see if we can cross the old street here. Maybe somebody will let us. Okay, go, 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 go. Come on, go. All right, I'm going, fuck it. Yeah, so anyways, my hotel's really cool. It's I booked it on booking.com. It's called the Platinum. It's a full apartment, kitchen, washer, no washer and dryer this time. But we do have a stove, a full refrigerator, nice bed, great TV, great Wi-Fi. Everything's pretty good. But they have a beautiful rooftop pool, which is infinity pool overlooking the Petronas Towers. Well, underlooking, because we're not higher than them. And then it's also got a great view of the Mantra Tower, Kuala Lumpur. So I'll take you guys up there in a little bit, but I gotta get this rib looked at right here. So this is where I was stabbed. I was stabbed in Bangkok. I'll tell you guys a little bit more about that later, but just rule of thumb, don't pee outside. They don't like it when you pee outside, even if you're in an alleyway or whatever. I guess they feel like you're peeing on their land. So I won't pee outside anymore, my bad. So let's just hope these x-rays come back, and I'm actually feeling pretty darn better today, so I'll see you in a little bit. So it's the end of January right now, and the Chinese Lunar New Year is coming, so all the malls are freaking stoked out with tons of dragons and fun stuff. You can just see this bad boy right here. Totally cool. These remind me of the trees in Japan. The cherry blossom trees. I don't know if they are. This is the Kuala Lumpur City Mall. And so, yeah, it's pretty cool. Everything's lanterned out, dragoned out, musiced out. It's kind of cool. We're gonna go get our x-ray now, so stay tuned. I'll give you the results in 5-7 minutes. All right, here we are. Here's where the stab wound was, right there. It's actually healing pretty good. But we got the x-ray done. We'll see what happens. If you guys are ever at the mall, or if you're at the airport, there is one thing that I need you guys to make sure you do, and that is spend a minute right here at the chairs. These bad boys are $1 for like 20 minutes, and they get the job done. So this is the relaxation zone. I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. There goes the Rapid KL. Nice. It's similar to the BTS SkyTrain. It's just the above ground monorail. Hey guys, I'm back at the apartment. I wanted to give you guys a quick tour, see what it's all about. About $50 a night. Got a kitchen, bed, nice TV, good high-speed Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's pretty legit. I like it, but about to go get my laundry on. It's a nice relaxing day for laundry in Kuala Lumpur. All right, let's go. I don't know if you can see the Petronas Towers back there, but the hotel is pretty centrally located. It's quite nice. I always like to do my laundry in the city. Usually you can drop it off and pay by the kilo, but today we have to do our own laundry on the machine. It's cheap, a couple bucks, but you just gotta hang out. I like to use it as downtime. Oh, hold on. Do a little reflection, catch up on any tasks, do some travel planning. It's really good to take an hour or two and just kind of do nothing, and laundry helps me sit back and kind of makes me do that. But still waiting to hear back of the x-rays on my ribs, but I'm feeling a lot better today, I ain't gonna lie. So we'll see here in a little bit, because I'm definitely getting that mango smoothie. It's a little bit early, but all these shops are usually pretty packed with people eating and drinking. And I'll tell you what, I am fasting and I can just smell every single drop of food there is. Hey.
Hello.
Want to say hello?
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I smell every single drop of food. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry, but we're flushing, we're fasting today. This place, this is what I smelled, I knew it. Oh yeah. Definitely tasty treats in there. Oh man. So I'm just gonna go and get a mango smoothie and kind of keep it liquid only today. But man, you can really just smell that food. I wish I could eat all of it. There's the skyline, Kuala Lumpur, baby. I am headed here to Kampung Baru. This is where I come have dinner almost every night, but there's a laundry facility here and I need to do some wash. So Kampung Baru, definitely come here at nighttime, get yourself some grub, and then you'll be happy you did. It's delish. I go to Wanjo every night, but only mango smoothies today. Kampung Baru, you can get bags, shoes, anything you want really, Crocs. But good morning or afternoon.
Morning.
Afternoon. Morning ka. All right guys, here we are. I gotta get my laundry going, so we'll see what we do. There it is in all of its glory. The mango smoothie. Dun, dun, dun. So good. Oh my gosh, if you guys are in KL, come on down to Wanjo, get yourself some beef rendang and wash it down with a mango smoothie. Oh yeah. It's gotta be about 5 o'clock now. You can hear the prayers over the loudspeakers. Ah, he's gonna... Ah, it smells so good out here. Oh.